I'd like to share one of my very favorite tips with you for staying youthful and healthy. And this one involves a traditional Ayurvedic rasayana. Rasayana means a rejuvenative. And the story goes that an ancient king in India called upon all of the great Ayurvedic physicians of the time and called them to his court. He wanted to select the best one for his family. And he asked them, what is the one rejuvenative that is available to every man, costs nothing, and is very easy to do? And the answer was, given by the winning Vaidya, was a morning walk. A walk in the morning, preferably outdoors, in the morning light. So I've been recommending a morning walk to my patients and trying to do it myself as regularly as I can, because it does indeed make you feel so fresh and enlivened. It uplifts your mood for the entire day. It gets your circulation going. And somehow, if you have to spend the whole day inside, somehow it just doesn't matter so much. Well, I wanted to share with you a very interesting piece of research that just came out of Northwestern University. They actually studied light exposure and its effect on the human body. And what they found was that being outside in the morning, getting morning light, dramatically influences our metabolism for the entire day. They discovered that people who are leaner, have less fat, actually get more morning light exposure. And the conclusion of their study was that being outdoors in the morning for at least 20 minutes is beneficial for weight maintenance, and that as much as 20% of our body mass and our weight is determined by how much morning light we get. So if we don't get enough light in the morning, then what happens is our body clock gets desynchronized, altering our metabolism, and even though we eat the same amount of food, we'll tend to gain more weight. So the advice of the winning Vaidya, and my advice to you today, is get out in the morning for at least 20 minutes, even on a cloudy day, and walk, enjoy the beautiful, enlivening, refreshing air of the morning and the morning light. It'll benefit your metabolism and your weight all day long, and also help you sleep at night. This is Dr. Nancy Lornsdorf, helping you awaken your power to heal.